Your peace goes out to all the hoods, no matter where you at. God rest the fallen soldiers. Here it go. Yo, a lot of people say this, a lot of people say that, but how many gonna tell the real facts? Not many, it's a cycle of plenty. I drop words like a Hemi on those that smoke and drink heavy, so don't tempt me. Rhymes are like I'm in Chevy, pedal to the floor. My skills is raw, like a fiend knocking at your door. You're bugging, it's not your style that they loving, cause it comes from another man that stands 6'1", overland, that strikes like lightning. On those that's biting, styles that are exciting, choosing words that are inviting, precise sharp pressure blows when I'm writing. Lines that I'm reciting, throwing my foes off the timing, and I'll never stop shining. Every time I drop that hot rhyme, it gives me props in the city, so I won't stop on my grind. I don't waste time making dollars out of dimes. No need to follow or squander. Those that squander away their money follow scholars. Yo, used to be the life of the lavish. Now all we do is work and get the money in this place where we perish. Lusting over sex and fabrics and pure carrots. I gotta have it, but it's not enough to sacrifice a life through the barracks. The goal is to uphold control over my soul before I fold. It's cold where I go to meet the people scheming. You know, a whole lot of people around me scheming. Until the day that I stop breathing. Hope this reaches souls that are lost of cause dream mentality, wishing to be free of an insane reality. Adjacent to the sea of pain, government rearrange, causing the main. I go against the grain and the evil. People chanting good people in society, doing dirty deeds just to get a bill. I still want to be at my resurrection to perfection. In woman's direction, a question. Pay attention to this lesson, no second guessing, caressing every word that I wrote. So I figure it's no joke when I quote to stop treating women like whores by the open seashores. But she swore she wouldn't do it no more. But you know the law was too tempting, temptation never ending, sending vibration through a spleen. Mischievous breathing every time she gets seen. I'm alphabetical with the words that I choose, so I figure in the style I have others use, I'll never lose. So I keep it tight like tradition, stay right, not getting high on a mission. I got ambition, if you not sick, pick up the lead and be free. The unity await the word of my coming. I'm not running from no government official gunning. This is a time for rainy days. The mornings that I speak, don't sleep, for the universe will devour like a lead shower, no matter who you be. Just let it's autobiography. How a beautiful world this could be instead of living in the struggle where we hustle, shoot dice, and always seem to get in trouble. Get legit, don't quit, cause you get caught up in the midst real quick. You're sick of the way people mix, smelling shitty in the city of pity, looking gritty like a gypsy off a smoke a Sensi for a Bentley, remedy heavenly like this melody. Yo, Dr. Dre, you did it with this one, Neptune. Peace, and I'm out.